In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a Google Ads account without adding a billing method. First, go to ads.google.com and click Start Now to begin creating your account. You might see your other Google Ads accounts already signed in. Click New Google Ads Account. If there are accounts with setup in progress, you might see this window asking you to finish setting up your accounts. Just click Create a New Account. When Google asks you to create your first campaign, ignore it and click on Open Space. Next, you can enter the name of your business if you want, but it's optional. Choose where are people led when they click on your ad. I'll put my number here. Then click Next. After this, just click Skip whenever possible. You can fill this information later if you want. Click Leave Campaign Creation. This is the key part. You'll have to choose a country that does not force you enter your card, as some countries do so. So I'll choose a billing country as India, because India allows me to do that. Choose the right currency for your billing country and click Continue. Create your payment profile. Enter all your details, make sure it matches with your billing country, then click Create. Then click Add Payment Method and choose Pay with Bank Transfer. Click Submit to finish setting up the account. Your Google Ads account will now be created without adding any billing details. You can add a payment method later when you're ready to run ads. And that's it. Thanks for watching.